Alright, in front of the First Baptist Church of Winter Haven, and during Hurricane Irma, their steeple was blown completely off. From what I understand, this isn't exactly the first time this has happened. I guess it's made of fiberglass. And I touched it. It doesn't seem that strong. I guess it's supposed to be able to withstand this stuff, but by touching it, it seems to give pretty easy, so I don't know. But I wanted to film and just show it. And it happened all the way up there, which I'll zoom in a minute. Show you inside. And it's pretty busted up, so I doubt they could ever reuse it. So they're gonna have to totally replace it. Here's the bottom part. And I took several pictures I'll add to the end of this video. And like I said, this is the First Baptist Church of Winter Haven. That's what it looks like in the inside. I'm actually surprised, even though it's pretty busted up, that's not more broken apart. Think about it, that's fairly long way down. See, some of the wood there is cracked. Of course, that could have happened when it fell. It could have been during construction, who knows. See some screws that got torn out. Here's part of the church. I'll see if I can get a better angle of the church there for you in a second. Here, this would have been the very top. Looks like this one fell. This one's got dented. The very top of the ball part. Let me show you where it fell better. Been way there. You can see where the damage. I'll zoom away, but when you zoom in, it really just shakes. Interestingly, I filmed another video about a month ago or less, right across the street from there. It was that memorial, or not memorial plaque, but historical plaque that they put up for the second ever Publix. So I know I've seen this steeple all the way up there. I'm going to show you the other side of the church. So that's where it was. And as in relation to where I was, and then I will carry you with me for a few minutes. Something like when you're vlogging, you're walking like this, carrying it with you, but I don't know, I kind of like carrying it and talking with you all. Try to show you the front. Probably better if I cross the street, but let me show you. Yeah, I was just across the street from that thrift store where I filmed that other video. There, I think that's what we consider the cornerstone. But right there is where that thrift store is that I filmed. And the historical sign's still up. You can see it over there, right next to that white car. This is where it was. Yeah, I actually stood in this corner. It's a pretty big church. It goes all the way down there. Can't really see where the steeple was from here. To give you an idea what this place looks like. Yeah, it goes a bit down. Alright, well, one last look at the church. I can show you where the steeple is. You can see more of the damage better from this angle. Imagine how loud that was when that steeple came off and crashed in the ground. I'm just amazed, even though it's pretty damaged, it's more intact than you would think. And I wonder, and I doubt it fell there, but it probably fell somewhere else and was moved to that position. But not sure. But interesting to know, did it fall to the left, did it fall to the right, did it fall in front here? I don't know. Anyways, I wanted to show you a little bit more damage from Hurricane Irma. I wasn't going to do any more of these videos, but I decided to do a few more, and then I heard about this.